Hello everyone. In our last video, we learned the first few Arduino commands. We learned what is analog write, what is digital write, what is pin mode, delay, and a few Arduino commands. Now let's use these commands and do a small program to switch on and switch off the LED or to blink the LED. For that, we need to set the pin modes of our pins. We will use the onboard LED which is connected to pin number 13. So we'll use that LED. So we'll set pin mode of pin 13 as output. So this is the syntax of the pin mode command, the name pin mode, then in round brackets, first we give the pin number which we want to set the mode and we give the mode. In this case, it is output. Once the line of command is done, we end it with a semicolon. So we have set the mode of pin number 13. Now we want to switch the LED on. For switching the LED on, the negative of the LED is connected to ground, and what we do is we control the positive end of the LED. We make it high to switch on the LED, we make it low to switch off the LED. That means we'll use the command digital write because there are only two values, on and off. So digital write commands name we have written digital write. We see that the naming convention of Arduino is when we use two words to make one command name, the first letter of the second word is in uppercase. Rest all words are in lowercase. So here digital write, the round bracket, open bracket, and now we will give which pin we want to write. Here our LED is attached to pin number 13, so we will write pin number 13 value as high. The command is done, end of command is semicolon. Now we want this LED to keep on glowing for, let's say, 1 second. So we will have to give delay of 1 second before we give our next command of switching off the LED. Delay command expects the parameter in milliseconds. So if I want to give delay of 1 second, I need to write 1000 here. Command done, end of the command is semicolon. And now I will switch off the LED. So again, digital write, pin number 13, this time low to switch off the LED and semicolon. Now the LED will stay switched off for 1 second. So again, delay 1000, bracket complete, semicolon. Now LED, if you see, is switching on for 1 second, switching off for 1 second. And since we have written this program in void loop, this will continuously happen and we'll see the LED blinking at an interval of 1 second. So this is our first program after learning the Arduino commands. Upload the program and watch the onboard LED blink.